The iPhone 16 Pro Max, a revolution in your pocket. Did you know that the new iPhone 16 Pro Max can predict your next move? Okay, maybe not in the literal sense, but it's so intuitive and powerful it feels like it can. This is more than just an upgrade, it's a complete reimagining of what a smartphone can be. Apple has packed this device with groundbreaking features that will leave you speechless. But why take my word for it? Read on and discover the future of mobile technology. This isn't your typical yearly iPhone refresh. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is a game changer. It's designed to seamlessly integrate into your life, making everyday tasks easier and more enjoyable. From the moment you pick it up, you'll feel the difference. The sleek design, lightning-fast performance, and incredible camera will make you wonder how you ever lived without it. But the real magic lies in the details. Apple has painstakingly engineered every aspect of this phone to deliver an unparalleled user experience. They've listened to their customers and pushed the boundaries of innovation. This isn't just a phone, it's a statement. It's a symbol of Apple's commitment to excellence and their dedication to empowering users with the best technology available. So, are you ready to experience the future? Are you ready to hold the power of tomorrow in your hands? Then buckle up because the iPhone 16 Pro Max is about to take you on a wild ride. Unveiling the A17 Bionic chip power beyond imagination. Let's talk power. The iPhone 16 Pro Max boasts the groundbreaking A17 Bionic chip, a technological marvel that redefines mobile processing. This isn't just an incremental upgrade, it's a quantum leap forward. The A17 is built on a cutting-edge 3-nanometer process, packing more transistors than ever before. What does this mean for you? Unparalleled speed, efficiency, and responsiveness. Forget about lag or stuttering. The A17 handles everything you throw at it with ease. Demanding games? No problem. Multitasking between apps? Effortless. Editing 4K video on the fly? Consider it done. This chip is a beast, designed to keep up with your most demanding tasks. But it's not just about raw power. The A17 is incredibly power efficient, extending your battery life and keeping your phone running cool even under heavy workloads. Compared to the A16, the A17 delivers a 20% performance boost and a 15% increase in energy efficiency. That's huge. Imagine editing photos and videos faster than ever, running complex simulations effortlessly, and experiencing console-quality gaming on your mobile device. The A17 makes it all possible. This isn't just a chip, it's the engine of the future, powering your mobile experience to new heights. So, are you ready to unlock the true potential of mobile computing? The A17 Bionic chip in the iPhone 16 Pro Max is waiting to unleash a world of possibilities. Click the link in the video description to get your iPhone 16 Pro Max today at a special promo price. Prepare to be amazed by the iPhone 16 Pro Max's stunning Liquid Retina XDR display. This is not just a screen, it's a window to a world of vibrant colors, incredible contrast, and breathtaking detail. Apple has outdone itself with this display, pushing the boundaries of visual fidelity and setting a new standard for mobile screens. The Liquid Retina XDR display boasts a 6.7-inch OLED panel with a 120 HE promotion refresh rate. This means incredibly smooth scrolling, ultra-responsive gaming and animations that come to life. But what truly sets this display apart is its incredible brightness and contrast. With peak brightness reaching 2,500 nits, you can enjoy HDR content with stunning realism, even in direct sunlight. Compared to the iPhone 15 Pro Max's display, the Liquid Retina XDR on the iPhone 16 Pro Max offers a 15% wider color gamut and a 10% increase in peak brightness. This translates to a more immersive viewing experience with richer colors, deeper blacks, and brighter highlights. Imagine watching your favorite movies and TV shows with cinematic quality, right on your phone. The Liquid Retina XDR display makes it a reality. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features an under-display Face ID system, eliminating the notch and providing a truly immersive all-screen experience. This seamless integration of technology enhances the viewing experience without sacrificing security or convenience. Are you ready to see the world in a whole new light? The Liquid Retina XDR display on the iPhone 16 Pro Max is waiting to dazzle your senses. Get ready to unleash your inner photographer with the iPhone 16 Pro Max's enhanced Pro Camera system. This isn't just a camera, it's a complete content creation studio in your pocket. Apple has packed this phone with cutting-edge camera technology, empowering you to capture stunning photos and videos that rival professional equipment. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features a triple-lens rear camera system, headlined by a 48MP wide-angle lens with sensor-shift optical image stabilization. This means incredibly sharp photos and videos, even in low-light conditions. The ultra-wide-angle lens captures more of the scene, while the telephoto lens brings distant subjects closer with incredible clarity. But the real magic lies in the software. Apple's advanced image processing algorithms work behind the scenes to enhance every photo and video you capture. Computational photography techniques like deep fusion and smart HDR ensure that every detail is captured with stunning clarity and dynamic range. The new cinematic mode takes video recording to the next level, allowing you to shoot with shallow depth of field and change focus points after you've recorded your footage. Compared to the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the iPhone 16 Pro Max boasts a larger main camera sensor, capturing more light and detail. The new photonic engine leverages the power of the A17 Bionic chip to process images with incredible speed and accuracy, resulting in photos and videos with unparalleled quality. Are you ready to capture the world in all its glory? The iPhone 16 Pro Max's Pro Camera System is your ultimate creative tool. Hold on to your hats, because the iPhone 16 Pro Max's design is a masterpiece of elegance and durability. Apple has refined the iconic iPhone design, creating a phone that's both visually stunning and incredibly robust. The moment you pick it up, you'll feel the difference. The surgical-grade stainless steel frame provides exceptional strength and a premium feel. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features a new, more durable ceramic shield front cover, offering 4 times better drop performance than previous models, and with its IP68 water and dust resistance, you can take this phone anywhere without worry. But it's not just about toughness. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is a beauty to behold. The sleek lines, refined edges, and stunning color options make this phone a true fashion statement. The new space black finish is deeper and richer than ever before, while the all-new Starlight Gold color option adds a touch of elegance and sophistication, but the real beauty lies in the details. The meticulously crafted camera module, the perfectly aligned antenna bands, and the seamless integration of the display all speak to Apple's obsession with design perfection. This isn't just a phone, it's a work of art. It's a testament to Apple's commitment to creating devices that are both functional and beautiful. Are you ready to experience the perfect blend of elegance and durability? The iPhone 16 Pro Max is waiting to make a statement. Get ready to experience the future of mobile operating systems with iOS 18, the brains behind the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This isn't just an update, it's a complete reimagining of the iPhone experience. iOS 18 is designed to be even more intuitive, personalized, and powerful, seamlessly integrating into your life and empowering you to do more. With iOS 18, you'll enjoy a redesigned home screen with enhanced widgets, offering more information and functionality at a glance. The new focus modes allow you to customize your notifications and app access based on your current activity, minimizing distractions and helping you stay focused. But the real magic lies in the details. iOS 18 introduces several new features designed to enhance your productivity and creativity. The new live text feature allows you to interact with text within images, making it easier to copy, translate, and search. The redesigned Safari browser offers a more streamlined and secure browsing experience with enhanced privacy features and a new tab bar design. Compared to iOS 17, iOS 18 offers a significant performance boost, making your iPhone even faster and more responsive. The enhanced Siri is more intelligent and capable than ever before, providing personalized recommendations and proactive assistance. Are you ready to unlock the true potential of your iPhone? iOS 18 on the iPhone 16 Pro Max is your gateway to a seamless and intuitive mobile experience. Don't miss out on the latest updates and reviews. Subscribe to our channel now and stay ahead with all things tech. Say goodbye to battery anxiety with the iPhone 16 Pro Max's incredible battery life. Apple has packed this phone with a high-capacity battery that keeps you going all day long, even with heavy use. This isn't just an improvement, it's a game-changer for power users who demand the most from their devices. The iPhone 16 Pro Max boasts up to 10 hours of video playback and up to 24 hours of audio playback on a single charge. You can browse the web for up to 15 hours or talk on the phone for up to 30 hours without needing to reach for a charger. But the real magic lies in the efficiency. The A17 Bionic chip's incredible power efficiency, combined with iOS 18's intelligent power management features, ensures that your battery lasts longer than ever before. The iPhone 16 Pro Max also supports fast charging, allowing you to power up your phone quickly and get back to using it in no time. Compared to the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the iPhone 16 Pro Max offers a 10% increase in battery life, thanks to the A17 Bionic chip's increased efficiency and iOS 18's intelligent power management features. This means you can do more with your phone without worrying about running out of juice. Are you ready to experience true mobile freedom? The iPhone 16 Pro Max's long-lasting battery is your key to staying connected and productive all day long. Section 8. Connectivity for the future, 5G Advanced and Wi-Fi 7. Get ready to experience lightning-fast connectivity with the iPhone 16 Pro Max's support for 5G Advanced and Wi-Fi 7. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a glimpse into the future of mobile connectivity, empowering you to do more, faster, and with greater reliability than ever before. 5G Advanced builds upon the foundation of 5G, offering even faster speeds, lower latency, and greater network capacity. This means you can download large files in seconds, stream high-quality video without buffering, and enjoy lag-free mobile gaming. But the real magic lies in the possibilities. 5G Advanced opens up a world of new applications, from real-time augmented reality experiences to lightning-fast cloud computing. And with Wi-Fi 7, you can enjoy even faster wireless speeds at home or in the office. Wi-Fi 7 offers significant improvements over Wi-Fi 6, with faster data rates, lower latency, and improved network efficiency. Compared to the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the iPhone 16 Pro Max offers a significant connectivity upgrade with support for 5G Advanced and Wi-Fi 7. This means you can enjoy the fastest and most reliable mobile connectivity available, unlocking a world of possibilities for work, play, and everything in between. Are you ready to experience the future of connectivity? The iPhone 16 Pro Max is your gateway to a world of possibilities. Section 9. Exclusive features that set the bar higher. Hold on tight because the iPhone 16 Pro Max is packed with exclusive features that set it apart from the competition. Apple has pulled out all the stops, delivering a phone that's not just innovative, but truly exceptional. These features enhance your user experience, making your iPhone even more powerful, versatile, and enjoyable to use. The iPhone 16 Pro Max introduces a new Promotion XDR display with a variable refresh rate that dynamically adjusts from 1 Hz to 120 Hz based on your content. This means incredibly smooth scrolling and animations, while also conserving battery life when you're not interacting with the screen. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features an enhanced U1 chip with ultra-wideband technology for precise location tracking and spatial awareness. This unlocks a world of possibilities for augmented reality experiences, indoor navigation, and finding lost items with Apple's AirTag trackers. And with its advanced LiDAR scanner, you can create detailed 3D scans of your environment, opening up new possibilities for gaming, design, and measurement. Compared to the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the iPhone 16 Pro Max offers a suite of exclusive features that elevate the user experience to new heights. From the Promotion XDR display to the enhanced U1 chip and LiDAR scanner, these features make the iPhone 16 Pro Max a truly exceptional device. Are you ready to experience the cutting edge of mobile technology? The iPhone 16 Pro Max is waiting to redefine your expectations. Section 10. A limited time offer you can't miss. Here's the thing, you don't want to miss out on this chance. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is available now, and for a limited time we're offering an exclusive discount that makes this revolutionary device even more accessible. It's time to upgrade your mobile experience and step into the future with the most advanced iPhone ever. Imagine holding the power of the A17 Bionic chip in your hand, capturing breathtaking images with the enhanced Pro camera system, and experiencing the brilliance of the Liquid Retina XDR display. This isn't just a phone, it's an investment in your digital life. It's a tool that empowers you to do more, create more, and experience more. But this offer won't last forever. We're giving you a chance to own the iPhone 16 Pro Max at an incredible price, but you need to act fast. Don't miss out on this opportunity to upgrade your mobile experience and join the iPhone 16 Pro Max revolution. This is your chance to be at the forefront of technology and experience the future today. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to the Apple Store or your favorite retailer and take advantage of this limited time offer. Upgrade to the iPhone 16 Pro Max and experience the future of mobile technology today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest tech and join our community. Section 11. Join the iPhone 16 Pro Max revolution today. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is more than just a phone. It's a revolution. It's a testament to Apple's relentless pursuit of innovation and their commitment to empowering users with the best technology available. This is your chance to be a part of something special, something that will change the way you live, work, and play. But don't take my word for it. Experience the iPhone 16 Pro Max for yourself. Feel the power of the A17 Bionic chip, capture breathtaking images with the enhanced Pro camera system, and immerse yourself in the brilliance of the Liquid Retina XDR display. This is a phone that will redefine your expectations and change the way you interact with the world. What are your thoughts on the iPhone 16 Pro Max? Share your comments below and let us know which feature excites you the most. Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and tech insights. Stay tuned because we're just getting started. The future is here, and it's in your hands. Join the iPhone 16 Pro Max revolution today and experience the power of tomorrow.